is 3 Wishes the Puppy Unicorn, and today, as you read the title, I'm going to be taking slime of Starlight, and you can use this for other
What happened to Starlight?
toys too. And what happened to Starlight was, one day I thought I should probably maybe like make slime for my videos. So I already had made slime, so I could show you guys how to make that kind of slime. And then it was, the container thingy was ripped, like, yeah, and it opened, and then my dad put Starlight in the bag, and then she got slimed. But today,
Sorry, Misha, I didn't knew there was slime inside the bag.
that's fine. Now we have a technique that we found on YouTube, and you can use this for other stuffed toys too. And yeah, that. So for that you need shampoo. It doesn't matter.
And white vinegar. Yeah, any
white-
brand of shampoo.
Any shampoo,
And-
some white vinegar,
Yes.
and maybe a toothbrush just to brush
Yeah.
it. And maybe even a wipe. So
Yeah.
after it's
One cloth slightly damped in a little bit of water. Okay, let's
Okay.
do this.
now let's do this. So first you have to put the white vinegar in the slime that's on your stuffed toy. Don't put a lot though. And then you put the shampoo on.
Now brush it.
Now you have to brush it. Oh god.
Take it out, take it out, take it out. You have to wipe it along.
And now you have to take it out.
As much as you can. And then
Okay, then
continue.
you continue. Okay, let's get this little piece out. Okay, that little piece is it. That's good. Now, let's see. Let's do.
Let's put some more. Wait. Wait.
And you keep.
Mix all of it. Mix all of it quickly. Leave the bigger chunks. We'll deal with that later. Whatever is out, just wipe it off.
This is Starlight's nose. You thought it was slime. Okay. Just try
Okay,
to
now
take
hold it.
off.
I'll do the other ones.
Okay. Just make sure.
Hold. My dad is trying to clean the difficult ones.
So now my dad is trying to clean the difficult part. Maybe ask your mom or dad to try to do the hard parts and stuff like that.
You know, slime has left a little bit of its color. Trying to
Yeah,
take
but
it out.
it's fine. It's kind of white. Make sure you don't. Oh, Starlight. Oh, that wasn't Starlight's nose. Starlight has two noses here.
I'm using a hard brush now.
To get the hard bits out.
Because toothbrush is soft.
Brush your
Brush your
teeth. If your slime is a different color and it's not the same as your stuffed toys color, then it might leave some of the color on.
Color is coming off. Don't worry.
Yeah. If you do like hardly with the cloth, then most of the color of the slime will come out.
See, it's clearer. It's totally clean now. Now we have some smaller bits left.
Yeah.
Over the ear. Now we're gonna do these.
Yeah. And now he's gonna put the shampoo, and then he can use the brush. You don't have to use a big brush, but if you want to take it out quickly or you want to do the hard parts, then you should probably use a big brush. If it's a small part, then you can just brush your stuffed toy, and you can get out. Brush your teeth.
That's it. That's how you clean it.
Okay. So guys, I'll see you next time. Starlight is here, and we'll see you next time. Bye.